Woo, y'all, man. I mean, this was the experience come in at. You know what I'm saying? Basically, I had a bad average yesterday, right? Um, as y'all can see right here, I was in at $12, right? And I tried to get out, but I couldn't get out my position. I called my broker; they were closed. I mean, I couldn't get out my position. So, I mean, the good thing is, I only had 500 shares. That's the good thing. I didn't have a lot of shares like that. Um, but if I would have took the L, I would have lost like $1,000, which is not bad. But I had a feeling this stock was gonna kind of do something like this, so I waited it out. I didn't sell, right? So I've been holding since yesterday, 500 shares, right? It tanked. I woke up, I seen it around here, like, oh man, here we go. But I said, let me just wait this out. Maybe this thing can just turn around and rip up. So I started adding shares, as y'all can see, which is today, right? So I started adding shares down here. So my average was at 12. So I'm down $2 a share. $2 a share off 500 shares. So I'm down like 1,000 some bucks, right? I started adding down here, and my average started going down, 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 and my average ended up being what, 1020 something. I added like 1,500. No, I added 2,000 shares down here, right? Got my average all the way down to 1025, right? And once I seen this pop up, I said yes. I said, we may have something here. You know what I'm saying? We may have something here. So when the open came, it ripped. Off the rip. You know what I'm saying? Off the rip, it ripped. At 11, I got out at 11 to my profit. I just wanted to get out, man, because I've been holding this thing since yesterday. And yeah, man, I flipped it around and made $2,000 right there. Got myself out of trouble, man. I got myself out of trouble. I didn't panic. I let it do its thing. You know what I'm saying? I didn't sell. And I was down $2 a share. Man, I was up like what? I had 2,500 shares or 3,000 shares. If I would have held this thing, I could have made over $20,000. You know what I'm saying? If I would have hit this thing, but it's okay though. I was happy. And then I caught it down here too. Made extra like $400 right here. On the bottom right here, it ripped up. And I ended up selling and making a profit. You know what I'm saying? Off this bounce right here. Adding more money to it and finished up $2,585. But man, that was crazy how I got myself out of that jam from yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I figured it was gonna rip, but not this much. But I figured it was gonna probably come back, and it did. Good thing it did. Next stock, I did CADL. Just pretty much taking the meter to move. It went up. I figured we were gonna probably break out. It popped. I sold into the pop. You know what I'm saying? Nailed that shit before it tanked and made $222. And I was done with it. Pretty simple trade right there. Let's go back to rent and see where is it at right now. It's still hanging. It can make another move up. It can do what it did right here. Real. Same type of pattern. Look. Big rip into the close. Fade, rip. Big rip and open. Fade. And it's still holding up, man. So it's still in play. I'm gonna see what happens tomorrow, but I'm glad I didn't take that L. You know what I'm saying? Glad I held through that. And only veteran traders can pretty much pull that off, man. Cause any newbie trader would have got out, or would have freaked out, or would have just just held the thing and just looked up and just, you know, got out and didn't know why. I had a plan, you know what I'm saying, and it worked. So finishing up $2,807, man. I've been on a roll, and we're gonna try to continue this thing, man. But that's it for this trade recount. It's probably my best trade ever in my career so far, based off not money wise, because I made over 30K one time in a day, but execution. Probably my best trade as far as execution and not panicking, man. But that's it for this video. I'm gone. Peace.